Well, it's fucking freezing, hun. And give you an idea. Look at this. It is freezing here in New York. There's Jamie trying to blow a smoke ring. But there's the Empire State, hun. Right above me. But it's slushy. It's fucking cold as hell. There's the Empire State Building. I don't know if you can see that. But New York in the wintertime. Holy shit, it's just really cold out here though. Cars with snow. Definitely I don't know what the fuck I'm saying.
You're not in California anymore.
You're not in California, at least. It's not raining, it's not snowing, but it's frickin' freezing out here. Sorry, I got my little scarf on, my hand's freezing, so anyway, I just want to give you an idea. Bye.